Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best smart toilet is probably one of the most innovative bathroom upgrades you can make. These high-tech thrones offer a spa-like experience with features like heated seats, bidet functions, and automatic flushing. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smart toilets, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect throne for your porcelain needs. Number 5. TubShroom Hair Catcher Strainer, Gray, TSGRA 454. Are you tired of clogged drains? This innovative device is designed to catch hair and prevent those frustrating clogs. It will save you money and time. Unlike traditional drain catchers, it fits neatly inside your drain. This design discreetly collects hair, keeping it out of sight and out of mind. It fits standard 1.5-inch to 1.75 wide bathtub drains. Cleaning is a breeze with this product. Simply wipe it off, and you're done. It's a must-have accessory for any bathroom. Avoid costly plumber visits and harsh chemicals. This product helps protect your pipes and the environment. It's an effective and eco-friendly solution. This drain catcher has won awards for its innovative design. Millions of drains are already protected by this patented design. Get yours today. What we like. This TubShroom is a game-changer, preventing clogs and saving you from costly plumbing bills. Its unique design catches hair effortlessly, making cleanup a breeze. If you're tired of dealing with clogged drains and messy hair, you should consider this. What people say. This one is very easy to install, remove for easy cleaning, without being big and obtrusive, and it catches a lot while hiding all that hair out of sight. It works very well to snag a ton of hair while still draining very well. The clever design allows for water to enter in all directions and drain well, even performing adequately when a thing has quite a bit of hair in it. Number 4. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. This is the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. It's a cordless, battery-powered scrub brush designed to make cleaning easier. It is perfect for various surfaces around your home. The oscillating head scrubs at an impressive 60 times per second. This powerful action quickly removes grime and restores surfaces, saving you time and effort. Designed to scrub up to twice as fast as manual methods, it reduces strain. This allows you to get your cleaning done quicker, giving you more free time. With robust water resistance, you can rely on it in any cleaning situation. You can confidently use it in the bathroom, kitchen, or even outdoors. It's perfect for tight spaces around the house. Use it on faucets, drains, sinks, tiles, and grout. It is also great for appliances, counters, and stovetops. Take the cleaning outside to tackle projects. It's great for patio grills, furniture, car trim, tires, and even your golf clubs. It can polish and deep clean sneakers, shoes, and boots. This helps keep them lasting longer and looking like new. What we like. This power scrubber delivers intense cleaning power, scrubbing surfaces 60 times per second. It saves you time and energy, making cleaning tasks much easier. If you are looking for a quick and effective way to clean your bathroom, kitchen, or even outdoor items, you should consider this. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The gadget's features are impressive and useful. The build quality is excellent. Number 3. iHave Automatic Toothpaste Dispenser, Gray. This automatic toothpaste dispenser is a hygienic and convenient bathroom organizer. It frees your hands with its unique dual-position patented technology, perfect for both kids and adults. You can easily control the amount of toothpaste you need. Forget about drills and holes. Installation is a breeze, and it won't damage your walls. Just clean the wall, apply the adhesive strip, and wait 24 hours before use. Remember to place it vertically for optimal dispensing. The strong adhesive strip ensures a secure hold on various surfaces like metal, wood, mirrors, and tiles. If your wall is uneven, don't worry, we've included nails for extra reinforcement, making it a versatile solution for any home. This dispenser is designed for toothpaste tubes with specific nozzle dimensions. The squeezer is detachable, allowing you to wash it directly with water, keeping it clean and hygienic. This smart home product is more than just a gadget, it's a stylish addition to your bathroom. It's perfect for a new home or apartment. The package includes the dispenser and adhesive tape. What we like. This automatic toothpaste dispenser is incredibly easy to use and install, requiring no drilling or holes. It's also sturdy and durable, ensuring it will last. If you have kids or simply want a more hygienic and convenient way to dispense toothpaste, you should consider this. What people say. It is very easy to attach a tube, you just push it down and give it a couple of twists. The toothpaste dispenses on the brush pretty well. It can get a bit messy on the inside of the mechanism but can be cleaned with hot water easily. Number 2. WAYCOM Dustproof Toothpaste Dispenser Kit, Black. This innovative kit is designed to make your life easier. It dispenses toothpaste automatically and keeps your toothbrushes organized. Made of plastic, this dispenser is compatible with any toothpaste. It doesn't require batteries and is designed to be environmentally friendly. Installation is a breeze, with no drilling required. Simply clean the wall, apply the adhesive, and wait 24 hours before use. It's suitable for various smooth surfaces. The dispenser is made of tasteless ABS material, ensuring safety. The mouthwash cups are also designed for high-temperature resistance. Cleaning is simple, as both the dispenser and toothbrush holder detach easily. It accommodates toothpaste tubes with a hole diameter of 0.55 inches or less. This dispenser helps prevent toothpaste messes, saving you time and money. It's perfect for kids learning to brush their teeth. The wall-mounted design is convenient for all ages. It helps you use every last drop of toothpaste, preventing waste and saving money. What we like. This toothpaste dispenser is made of eco-friendly materials and is designed to be kid-friendly, preventing toothpaste messes. It's easy to install without damaging your walls. If you want to save money and keep your bathroom clean, you should consider this. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The gadget's features are impressive and useful. The product works great and is easy to use. Number 1. Spicy Shelf Expandable Under Sink Organizer. This under sink organizer is incredibly easy to put together. It comes with just a few parts and can be assembled in minutes. You can also easily move it from room to room as needed. The shelf is designed to be fully adjustable. It expands in width, height, and depth to fit your specific needs. You can even rotate it 360 degrees to work around your plumbing. Made from durable and sturdy plastic, this organizer is built to last. It's lightweight yet can hold up to 40 pounds of cleaning supplies. You can trust it to keep your items safe and organized. This organizer is versatile and works well in any room. Use it in the kitchen, bathroom, or anywhere you need extra storage. It's easy to relocate and adapt to your changing needs. Spicy Shelf stands behind its products with a 1-year warranty. If anything goes wrong, they will replace it for free. Customer satisfaction is their top priority, so you can buy with confidence. What we like. This under-sink organizer is fully adjustable, allowing you to customize it to fit your space perfectly. It's easy to assemble and made of high-quality, durable materials. If you have limited space and need to maximize your storage, you should consider this. What people say. It makes my sink so much more organized and I enjoy the extra space. It makes the sink cleaner and it's easier to see all the things I have in my cabinet. The adjustable aspect of this shelf is perfect. It allows you to get around those pesky pipes easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.